In this activity, we're going to create our first spreadsheet. I'm going to click on File, which takes me to the Backstage area, and I'm going to click on New and tell it that I want to create a new blank workbook. Notice again, a new blank book that has not been saved yet appears and has 3 sheets for me to utilize. I'm on sheet 1, I'm in cell A1, and I'm going to type a label, product. I'm going to press my tab key to move to the right into B1, where I'll put quantity, and I hit tab again to go to C1, and I'm going to enter price. So tab moves me to the right, shift tab moves me to the left. I can also use my arrow keys to move up and down, and pressing enter takes me down. All right, now I'm going to select A2. Now what we've just entered there is text values. We're now going to put in some product names that are also text values. We're going to start with bike and golf cart. Now we're going to put in some numeric values, the quantities sold of these items. I sold 550 bikes and 820 golf carts. Notice that by default, text is left aligned in a cell and numbers are right aligned. Now I'm going to enter a price. The bike, $685, and the golf cart, $295. Now notice there's really no visual difference initially between my quantity and my price numbers. In other words, my prices don't look like currency. Later in the course, we'll learn how to format that and put a number format on it. But by default, all numbers are just right aligned, and they're to 0 decimal places. They're just put in as a raw value unless you type it with a decimal. For instance, if my price was $6.85 and 55 cents, then it would hold with a decimal place. Now I'm going to save this file. I'll go up to the Backstage area under File, Save As. I'm going to go to Computer, My Documents, and I'm going to save this in the folder called Getting Started with Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to name my book My New Products. Notice I am allowed spaces in my file names, and it's automatically going to add the Excel extension for 2013, XLSS. All right, I'm going to hit Save. And notice up in my title bar, it tells me that it has been saved as My New Products. If I want to save this for an older version of Excel, I would simply drop down my Save As Type drop-down list and pick Excel 97-2003, for instance. If I want to save it as an XML file, I can do that. If I want to save it as a PDF, I can do that. So all of your different choices are available under Save As Type. I'm done with this file, so I'm going to go back to Excel and under File, pick Close.